Oh, okay. I hear the bird.
Bird?
Yeah.
Oh. So, where's hummingbird? That's a bird. Mommy, fish, fish.
Yeah.
Look, fish. Right there.
Right there? Yeah.
No, there.
Yeah, you gave him yesterday too much food.
Too much.
Too much. He's gonna die with all this food.
Oh my gosh. Table.
What happened?
Table green cup. Oh man.
What happened, dear?
It's a cup table.
Drink your coffee.
Look, cup on table.
Oh, the coffee fell on the table? Okay, never mind.
Thank
Mommy
you.
will clean. Drink your coffee.
Hot? Too hot?
A little bit, yeah.
Mommy, I do a sleepy.
Azura's sleeping, that's right. She's very tired. Azura's sleeping. Leah, you want to sleep?
No thanks. Oh, no good.
No thanks. Blues Clues?
Yours.
Yeah, 1 second. We finish the coffee and then we go for the TV. Can you eat your cookie? Wow, you drink coffee? Oh my God. Here, take a cookie.
Cookie? Cookie?
Yeah,
Cookie.
it's a big cookie.
Big cookie.
I don't think you like it, right? Oh, no. Here, wipe your hands. You don't like this cookie? Daddy and Mommy like this cookie. Should I look for different cookie for you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you.
Oh no! Do.
What happened?
This table gonna fall. Oh man! What do?
Oh man, what happened now?
This table gonna fall. Cup.
The cup fell?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Eat that? Right bird. Cheep, 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 cheep.
Leah, did I ever tell you you're a very beautiful girl?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here, you want to dip it in your coffee? Put it inside the coffee.
Okay. Oh.
Oh. Good job. You like this cookie, huh? Maybe let me put napkin on your beautiful dress. Here. Okay? Here, mommy put dress, napkin. Very good cookies.
Oh.
Maya also like these cookies. אתה רוצה ביס? רוצה לתת לאמא ביס? Thank you. איזה חמודה. Thank you for sharing. It's okay, mommy. I'm gonna take from here. Thank you. Yeah.
No, yeah, I can't do.
Right there, Leah, cookies here.
No.
Oh my God, did you see what happened?
What happened?
My coffee.
My coffee? Mommy coffee?
It almost fell down.
Down. Here. Here.
No, here, I hold it. You see, a little bit, just there. Very little.
No, one hand, two hands.
Oh, I need to hold it with two hands? Thank you. Thank you. That's a good advice. Yeah. You hold your coffee with the two hands?
See? Hold it.
Thank you. That was a very good advice. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Mommy. Thank you, me. Yeah.
You're welcome, Leah. It's always a pleasure to serve you. You happy?
I'm happy too. Don't cry.
Quiet?
Crying.
Who is crying?
You.
No.
You are crying.
Leah, cry? Why?
Please, please.
No, Leah is happy.
Oh, happy?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you are happy. Look at your beautiful, happy face. Leah. It's from the frigidaire.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think you like this cookie, huh?
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Mixed cookie.
Never mind, I give you another one. Don't pick it up from the floor.
It's me. Here. Here.
Uh-oh. I think you need a spoon, right? Not with your hand. 1 second. Yeah. That's it. Everything is okay now? Yeah. Everything is okay now? The cookie is okay? Nothing fall down?
No.
Okay. What you doing?
Eating cookie.
Eating cookies? Ah, okay.
Mommy, what doing, Mommy?
I drink my coffee.
I drink, guys.
Guy is sleeping.
Mommy, what doing, Mommy?
Mommy drink coffee.
Oh. Okay.
Leah, what you doing?
Drink coffee spoon.
With a spoon. Ah, okay.
No. Coffee
Yes.
spoon.
Good job.
See?
Good job.
Your turn.
My turn to drink a coffee? Okay, I'm going to drink a coffee and I'm gonna send.
No, like this.